Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and amazing video of uh, tiny balcony garden ideas in front of you, which is looking very beautiful. The interiors for your balconies are very wonderful. You can enjoy the balcony views with these wonderful gardens, or you can make your apartments balcony a wonderful gardening experience into your tiny balconies, which look very interesting and very beautiful. So watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end. And if you like one of the idea from this video, then write in the comment section, and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, let's move on to the video. Welcome to the channel Decor Life. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, you are watching onto your screen the wonderful ideas of tiny balcony gardens. These ideas we have picked for yourself just because the tiny balconies are not in use rarely. Means always people don't like to use it the tiny balconies. They make the tiny balconies storeroom. So make your tiny balconies with these wonderful ideas very relaxing, very beautiful. That makes your apartment very good looks, and you can make eco-friendly also the environment. This one is looking onto your screen is very beautiful. Again, the greenery into the balcony is looking very nice. The tables, the sofa set means it gives a relaxing period of your day into these balconies, these type of balconies. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. You can subscribe my channel yet. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe it first. And don't forget to follow my channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. And must visit my channel for more interior ideas, whether it is rooms, living rooms. Thank you for